Hi, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. This tutorial is part of my Photoshop Fast and Easy series that shows you how to create awesome Photoshop effects quickly and simply. Today, I'll show you how to create solid drop shadows from text or graphics. We'll use text for this example. Before we type out our text, let's check our foreground and background colors. If the colors aren't black and white, press D on your keyboard. We want white to be our foreground color. Press X to invert them. Open the horizontal type tool and type picker. Choose any font you like. I'll set the size to 112 points, but once you type your text, feel free to adjust the size to your liking. Click on your document and type your text. Open your Move tool and center the text. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Hide the copy and make the original text active. Since this text will be used for a long drop shadow, we'll change its color. For now, we'll make it black. We can always change it later. Double-click the large T to highlight the text and click this icon to swap the colors. Open the Move tool. We'll rotate the text by pressing Ctrl or Command T to open the Transform tool. Go to a corner and press and hold Shift as you rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise. Holding Shift will snap it to specific degrees. For this example, I rotated it -30 degrees. After you rotate it, press Enter or Return. Place the rotated text into a folder by pressing Ctrl or Command G. Make the text layer inside the folder active. In this folder, we'll create multiple copies of the text, each one moving 1 pixel down and 1 pixel to the right. To do this, press and hold Alt or Option and the down arrow key until you have approximately 100 copies. We won't see the buildup of the shadow layers until we release both keys. Make the folder active and right-click or secondary click it. Choose Merge Group. This merges all the layers within the folder into a single layer. Make the top text visible again. With the shadow layer still active, rotate it back to its original horizontal position by pressing Ctrl or Command T and holding Shift as you rotate it back. In this example, I rotated it 30 degrees because I previously rotated it to -30 degrees. To accept it, press Enter or Return. Drag it to align with the white text. To make the shadow longer, press Ctrl or Command J to copy the shadow and drag the copy to align with the existing shadow. To extend it even further, duplicate it again and align it to the other shadows. To change the color of the shadow, shift-click the bottom shadow layer to make all the shadows active and press Ctrl or Command E to merge them together. Double-click the layer to open the Layer Style window. Click Color Overlay. The blend mode is normal. Click the color box to open the color picker and choose any color you like. We can also distort our text's perspective. First, shift-click the other layer to make it active as well, and right-click it to open the flyout list. Click Convert to Smart Object so we can distort our text non-destructively. Open the Transform tool and go to a corner. Press and hold Ctrl or Command as you drag the corners to warp the text's shape. To rotate it, release Ctrl or Command and go to a corner. Rotate it. To resize it, go to a corner and drag it out or in. Continue to finesse its perspective and size. This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Thanks for watching. And remember, take care, be kind, and I'll see you next time.